Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you some amazing superfoods that can help protect your nerves and promote overall well-being. Remember, the information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice. Let's briefly understand the importance of nerve health. Our nerves act as superhighways, transmitting signals throughout our bodies. Ensuring their health is crucial for proper bodily functions. Montage of people engaging in various activities like walking, stretching, carrying groceries. Everyday activities such as walking, stretching, and even something as simple as picking up groceries all rely on our nerves. Have you ever experienced tingling, numbness, or pain in your hands, feet, or other parts of your body? Well, these could be symptoms of nerve damage, and it's essential to take care of our nerves to maintain optimal health. One of the best ways to do this is by incorporating nutrient-rich superfoods into our diets. So, without further ado, let's explore the top 5 superfoods for nerve damage. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like superheroes for our nerves. These essential fatty acids play a vital role in preserving nerve health and preventing damage. They have anti-inflammatory properties and aid in the formation of myelin, a protective coating surrounding our nerves. Vitamin B12, found abundantly in salmon, is an essential nutrient for nerve health. It plays a crucial role in nerve signaling and aids in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to our nerves. Without adequate levels of B12, nerve damage and numbness can occur. Another fantastic advantage of salmon is its abundance of antioxidants. Antioxidants combat harmful molecules called free radicals, which can cause nerve damage and inflammation. By including salmon in your diet, you're infusing your body with these protective warriors. Number 2. Bell peppers. This herb has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for a variety of ailments, particularly those related to the nervous system. Unfortunately, our nerves can be susceptible to damage caused by various factors such as aging, injury, and certain medical conditions. That's where bell pepper comes in. The active compounds found in this amazing plant have been shown to possess neuroprotective properties. Extensive research conducted by scientists suggests that bell pepper extract contains powerful antioxidants that help protect our nerves from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when our body's natural antioxidant defense system is overwhelmed, leading to cellular damage. By combating oxidative stress, bell pepper helps shield our nerves from harm. Bell pepper also plays a vital role in supporting nerve health, including nerve regeneration. Nerve damage, such as that caused by injury or conditions like peripheral neuropathy, can lead to pain, numbness, and decreased overall function. However, studies have shown that bell pepper may contribute to nerve regeneration, allowing damaged nerves to heal and restore their proper functioning. So, how can you incorporate bell pepper into your daily routine to support nerve health? Well, fortunately, bell pepper is available in different forms. You can find it as an ingredient in nerve health supplements or enjoy its benefits through bell pepper tea. Number 3. Brussels sprouts. Did you know that these green gems can actually play a significant role in protecting against nerve damage and promoting overall nerve health? Stick around as we explore the fascinating benefits of Brussels sprouts. These mini cabbages are packed with nutrients and are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to any healthy diet. Nerve damage and neurological conditions can have a significant impact on our daily lives. That's where Brussels sprouts come to the rescue. These cruciferous vegetables are loaded with compounds like glucosinolates, which have been found to have protective effects on our nerves. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science revealed that consuming Brussels sprouts can actually help shield our nerves from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage nerves and contribute to conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. To ensure optimal nerve health, we need a healthy supply of B vitamins, and you guessed it, Brussels sprouts got us covered. These veggies are particularly rich in vitamin B6 and folate, which are vital for maintaining healthy nerve function. But that's not all. Brussels sprouts also contain vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen production. Collagen is not only essential for maintaining the integrity of our nerve cells but also helps in the production of myelin, the protective sheath around our nerves. Did you know that Brussels sprouts can even support the development and maintenance of nerve cells? That's right. Thanks to their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin K, these tiny powerhouses can assist in the formation of myelin, the fatty substance that insulates and protects our nerves. So, the next time you're planning your meals, make sure to include these fantastic Brussels sprouts and give your nerves the love and care they deserve. Number 4. Spinach. One of the key players in spinach's superpowers is a compound called lutein, which helps protect our nerves from damage. Lutein acts as a powerful antioxidant, fighting off harmful free radicals that can contribute to nerve cell damage. Furthermore, spinach is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like folate, vitamin E, and potassium, which are crucial for maintaining optimal nerve health. Folate, in particular, plays a significant role in the formation and repair of nerve cells. You can toss a handful of fresh spinach into your morning smoothie, sauté it with garlic as a side dish, or even add it to your favorite pasta sauce or soup. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli, a member of the cabbage family, is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's no wonder why it's often referred to as a superfood. One of the key components found in broccoli is a compound called sulforaphane. Research suggests that sulforaphane has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect against nerve damage. As we age, our bodies naturally experience chronic inflammation, which can lead to nerve damage and related conditions. However, studies have shown that incorporating sulforaphane-rich foods like broccoli into our diets can help reduce this inflammation and promote nerve health. Broccoli also contains high levels of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, which are essential for nerve function and overall nervous system health. Another nutrient found in broccoli, vitamin K, is known for its role in blood clotting. But did you know it also helps maintain the health of our myelin sheath, a protective coating surrounding our nerves? So, eating broccoli can help safeguard this essential component of our nervous system. Lastly, let's talk about folate, a B vitamin found abundantly in broccoli. Folate is necessary for the production and maintenance of our DNA and various other genetic material. Now, while broccoli is an amazing vegetable with innumerable health benefits, it's important to remember that it should be a part of a well-balanced diet. And there you have it. 5 superfoods that could help protect your nerves from damage. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can work wonders for your nerve health and overall well-being. Remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or if you suspect any nerve-related issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends.